Trying out my new camera holder, my phone holder. And today, mowing the grass. Gonna go pick up my new computer. I had a custom built computer done for editing videos. Tonight we're having dinner at my daughter and son-in-law's new place. Guess we're having tacos. Caitlin's still in there asleep. That's why I'm kind of getting quiet. Money. It's all mine. Let's see what we got here. This thing needs cleaned off really bad. These can come off there. What are you doing, kitty? Speakers. Record player. This over out of the way. Old Denon AVR 810 Dolby Pro Logic surround receiver. Outdated, but still pretty good. Mr. Waspy man. And we got my garage here. Did a Jimmy rig for my LED lights, my work table. Got my new wagon. Get in here in the garage and get a break. Sierra and Corey are moving out. They got their own place. So it's just Caitlin and I here. My next project is going to be finishing the porch swing that my sister sent me for my birthday, I do believe. Yeah, she sent it to me for my birthday last year. Nice wooden porch swing. I'm going to sand it down, primer it, and probably paint it blue maybe. I'm not sure. It's going to be hung up on the front porch. That camera sure does add weight, doesn't it? It's a pretty day out. It's going to be 80 degrees. You get them kids out here cleaning up the trash around the yard. Finished mowing. I got the side beside the garage here, between the house and the old building and the fence, in front of the house, and down the other side there, the little strip. Not much. Whew. When Sierra and Corey gets here, I'll load up some more of their stuff, and then I got to go pick up my computer. i7 quad core or 8-core processor put in, 32 gigs of RAM, 2 500 gigabyte solid state drives, the newest ones, the really fast ones, and then a 2 terabyte hard drive for backing up archiving files. Let's see if I can get this blower started. I don't think I have the gas on it. I hate this stupid nozzle thing here. It's a pain in the ass. I think that's enough. All right. That's the on and off switch. That's that. Full choke a bunch of freaking times. Well, I used the cart for something finally. I took the sides off and hauled my porch swing from the shed to the garage. My car is dirty. Up there we got a bunch of more of the siding. There's some boards down underneath that carpet. It's the composite decking. I was lucky enough he left me the ladder that reaches the roof, a 3-section ladder. You don't catch my ass up on it though. My dad gave me the belt sander and the jack stands right there. Yeah, there they are, jack stands. Belt sander. But like all this metal shelving here, I got 3 in the basement, 2 in the shed, and 2 out here. I bought from the old hardware store downtown Zanesville. Some guy bought it and was finished redoing it and making it into a hippie shop. So I bought those. I think I paid $10 a piece for them. Weed the garden. Nah. There's a heat shield on the left muffler that's rattling. And it's driving me crazy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hola. I don't want to use the sink water.
Tacos! Think so? Nice.
What you think, JT?
Got some goodies. New subwoofer. In that box we have a set of bookshelf speakers. And then we got 2 sets of tower speakers and a set of speaker stands. And a Chester. And it's going to be replacing these Boston Acoustics surround setup. Not sure if I'm going to use the bookshelf speakers in the rear or the towers, but I only have 5.1 in this room. That's all I really need. The center channel. Eventually I might upgrade my receiver.